One of my primary go-to ingredients for a great looking landscaping garden is mulch, and I use a lot of it. But buying a lot of mulch can be very expensive. Fortunately, you don't have to pay for it. Arborist wood chips like this are free and they're worth their weight in gold. In this video, I'm going to show you how to source that mulch and use it properly all throughout your landscape. If you had to pay for this quantity of mulch, it would cost you about $300, and it would be well worth it. But how much sweeter would it be if you didn't have to pay anything for this? And that's totally doable. All you have to do is ask the tree companies working in your area if you can have their mulch. If they have easy access and a safe place to unload them on your property, chances are they'll be happy to do that. And that's what I do all the time, like this last week with the 4 loads like this that I got for free. Having a tractor obviously helps move the mulch to wherever you need it to go. But if you have the time and energy, it's easy to scoop it into a cart and move it around your landscape wherever you'd like. As you spread the mulch, distribute it about 2 inches thick wherever it's needed, especially over exposed soil surfaces. But don't dig fresh wood chips into the soil. As they slowly break down and decompose, they need nitrogen to do that, which would deplete that much needed nitrogen from neighboring plant roots. But as a mulch on top of the surface, there's no risk of that at all. As you fine-tune the placement, level it out and keep it away from the base of any shrub or tree by about 2 inches. The immediate effect of the new mulch will reduce weed germination, hold valuable soil moisture in the ground, moderate soil temperatures from extreme heat and cold, and protect and improve your soil over time. Mulch is one of the best investments you can make in the health of any landscape or garden, and when it's free, it doesn't get any better than that. We have a lot more information on the subject of wood chips and mulch on our YouTube channel at Joe Gardener TV and on our website at joegardener.com. So come on over and have a look around. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you back here soon.